What's up guys, this video is going to be all about building these outdoor cedar gates. I used tongue and groove and mortis and tenon joinery. I did most all the cutting and planing and sanding off camera, and then the video is going to skip to how I made these curves and the assembly. Check it out! So before I hit record, I joined these 2x4s together and built this MDF template with a 24-inch radius. Click here for a circle making jig video. Right here I'm rough cutting the shape with a jigsaw, then I'll flush trim it off, following the template, creating a perfect radius. Here I'm cutting close to the line without cutting it off, so I can later sand right up against it. My first project with the Festool domino, and it worked like a charm. I was able to pre-assemble my piece before the glue up, making sure everything was fitting in place. Don't forget to have a wet rag handy with a bucket of water. Part of the creative process, I think, is the order in which we assemble things. That to me can be one of the largest challenges, but I always love to figure it out. Well guys, thanks for hanging out until the end. Don't forget to keep me on your notification settings and hit that bell button this time. Get notified every time I post. Until then, be sure to check out some of my latest videos and feel free to send me any of your next project ideas. I'd love to hear them.